Shalom. I follow the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, the God of Israel, the one who said, I change not. I do not follow the New Testament, and I don't follow Jesus. But I keep hearing the same thing. Jesus is all over the Old Testament. So here's my question. If the New Testament never existed, could you still prove that? Not with Paul's writings, not with church tradition, just from the Hebrew scriptures. If the Most High said it, then show me. This isn't about a debate. This isn't about pride. This is about clarity. Because if you're wrong about this, you're not just following tradition. You're worshiping that man. And the Most High made it clear. He doesn't share his glory. Question 1. Where is his name at? No symbol, no shadow, the name Jesus. I mean, we want to see the book, the chapter, and the verse. If he's the center of it all, why isn't his name in the book? Now, who told the children of Israel which prophet said to be baptized and confess Jesus as their Lord and Savior? Not Peter, Ezekiel or Isaiah or Jeremiah. Which one said to be baptized and confess Jesus to be saved? Show me. Is the Most High 3 in 1? Where does he say that at? We don't want to hear a breakdown or a sketchy metaphor. We want to hear the Most High words itself. Where is it written at? Because when I last checked, the Most High said he's one. That's not a riddle. That's straightforward. That's a command. Now, where did Moses say Jesus? He warned us about false gods and strange doctrine and walking away from the covenant, but he never said to follow Jesus. Did he even say his name? Which book is this in? Which chapter? Which verse? Because a lot of Christians like to run to the New Testament and say Moses spoke of him, but can never show you which chapter or which verse this was mentioned at. Who did God say to follow? He said to follow my commandments. He said to walk in my ways, keep my laws and statutes. Where does he say now you have to follow Jesus instead? If you can't show me where he said it, why are you doing it? This ain't disrespect. This is just one man asking for what the Most High already gave us, which was clarity. If Jesus is truly the way, then truth should stand on its own, right? So I ask again, show me. Not from Paul's writing, not from church, from the mouth of the Most High, from the Hebrew scriptures. Can you show me? Until then, I'll walk in the law.